What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. We just need to make sure. Okay, the recording stuff. Hold on. Okay, because hope you guys are well, bro. I haven't recorded in 2 days. I haven't checked the charts in 2 days. I've been looking at it, but I haven't done anything. Haven't touched the button. We're still in the red. Everything is like same as we left it the last time. And this break was nice, bro. I felt man into it. I'm not gonna lie. I really needed it. Um, but now we're back, and I'll give you my analysis. But I think it looks like we do have news. Trump is speaking at 9, which is it happened. Or he's speaking. Oh, that's the thing. He's speaking or he spoke at 9. So which is around here, pushing prices going up a bit. Um, I kind of do have plays of buys at market open. Keyword saying at market open because respecting this daily wick, consequent encouragement on this daily chart. This one you see here, respecting that daily midpoint, and then price is having a nice reversal to the upside. I do want to see it come back. I want to see how it's going to react when it comes to this midpoint of this week, right? We are currently in one big value gap, but it doesn't really, not really paying it by that much attention to it like that. But these points, respecting that, I want to see is price gonna respect that and continue going down, or respect or use us to go further up. So the reason I'm thinking about buys, but using this for value gap. If we either say we're gonna bad market open, honestly, use this for value gap to do that, and then potentially come and catch buys into this area. I'm looking at this for value gap, this one, and then price can continue going lower because I think we're in a downtrend, but looking for buys maybe to catch it back up there, and then if it disrupts this, and then price will continue going lower. There is the London high there, but I don't know if it want to go there. Um, but yeah, that's my analysis. That's what I'm thinking. We want to see will that happen. Um, yeah. So in order to catch this, we need a retracement. So we're not thinking about any of this unless we get a retracement, and we see how price reacts to that. Into this, you see we have nice relative equal highs there. They're nice, and then we have this inefficiency up here as well. So we have 6 minutes less before market open, and then we see we get opportunity price come back into this value gap. Like I said, my eyes are set on it. Hey, hey, hey. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, okay, it's floating. So yeah, we're gonna use this for value gap that we have and see if we cannot use it this 15 minute to perhaps catch higher prices. If not, price will invest this and use it to go lower. Um, so this is where my eyes are at. I'm gonna have that opening range gap. I'm not really concerned about the midpoint right now. So market open will tell us everything we need to know about how we're gonna treat this morning. 4 minutes until market open. Oh, wait. 2 minutes left. Marcos is about it. Okay, bro. So, I probably see some damage, but want to see price respected. Cause oh, by the way, we have an SMT. By the way, I forgot to mention that between this low, as you guys can see that, and this. This was giving me the confidence of buy. By the way, this one. Let me see that. So this low under SP 500 is not taken. So let's wait for market open and we're gonna see. Looks like it's going straight for that, brother. Took the wrong pin. We have to wait for this 50-minute candle to close, of course. This is the opening range gap. So the midpoint is from here to there. That's the midpoint, and it's aligning with this. That's inefficiency right there. So this bank could be a Judas swing. right? Do some damage, price if price respects these, reverse, and then continue going down to the downside. If it does continue. Yeah, but we wait for this 50-minute candle to close to tell us what price wants to do, and then we use that first fair value gap if it's around. Right, right. Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum. Dun, dun, dun. Kai is coming back in, so let's see how it behaves. So this is our first fair value gap. So first fair value gap. Today's date in, but I keep forgetting the date. I'm not gonna lie. 16, sorry. And I was on the charts this morning. Dun, dun, 6. We'll make it red. Yeah. Let's see what happens. If I just fell short getting to the midpoint over here, that's the midpoint. So let's see what happens. Still have time with this candlestick. So obviously this wick you want to see it respect the upper half of this wick and also stay the upper half of this 15-minute fair value gap if we wanna see higher prices. If prices are gonna go lower, obviously a closure below this and a closure below this 15 minute, ideally. So you just gotta wait and see. Oh, my days. Still got 6 minutes left of this candle. Oh, wait. Charge. See how I use that this first value gap and now it's pushing lower. It's probably gonna take out these lows that we have. I didn't mark this as we do have this target down here. Uh, it's this. Mhm. Dun, 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 dun. Um, sorry for the noise in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Because I'm gonna see the risk reward of this. Yeah, definitely not worth it. Obviously, price if price inverses this, that would be my first area that I have in mind. This right away. So just wait, chap. Just wait. I feel like it's just simple if I look at the 15 minute. Because if we do close below this and below this, then my eyes are gonna the flip. My eyes are gonna definitely be set on this area right there. And then we have this end dog, but I'm be too worried about it. But we also have these negative lows. So if price does close below this, and then we'll see if we do get an entry, perhaps maybe using the first for value gap. So maybe like a week do the damage, of course. And AR doing a nice job there. Took out this liquidity. So far off the primary sell side. Mm. Yeah, that's bomb. Well, I'm not say that yet. Using that first for value gap. I need to answer this call. Okay, the person didn't answer, so yikes. Well, bro, we already so far extended. I don't know if we'll get another chance to come back into this. And we're so close into this, taking this out. And then also my eyes are set on the midpoint of this. So if price is gonna go lower, it's, this isn't have what I have in mind. Just this midpoint. I'm just gonna make it red. I won't label it for now, but I'll make it red. I'll just do that. Let's see, do we get any retracements to potentially go short? dun, dun, dun. It's gonna. Let's see, do we get some sort of retracement during the macro to continue going lower? I'm looking at maybe using this. If I see that it doesn't want to continue going higher, this is what I'll be using. So let's see what we get a retracement during the macro. If not, we no trade is gonna be taken. But look how nicely past users first for that gap, bro. Da, 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 about to be in the macro. So I don't know if the macro would wanna use this or wanna use this. We use this first per value gap. We left it. We see how there's a body and it could come back. Use this as an entry and continue going lower. As I said on this midpoint. So let's see what we use this for value gap. We went for sales. Stop loss. About this for value gap. I'm gonna show you guys my trade right now. I'm already in it, so and it's already going against me. Heavy. I haven't put TPs yet. I'm just show you the trade real quick because I'm already in drawdown. I literally entered while it was coming up. Load. You guys see that? I went in while it was coming up here. I put my stop losses above this week. So we do not want to see price inverse this, or else I'm cooked. And then yeah. Might get stopped out. Let me see. Yeah, that wick is not looking good. But yeah, let's just let it play out. I mean, draw down. I mean, yeah. Oh, it closed above, bro. That's not good. Yep, we done, boys. We lost that one. We lost this one. Ugh. Well, that's the trade. I'm probably gonna come back definitely into this one. Let's see. We had a good round. We had a good round. Let's try to rescue it. Bum 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 bum. Let's see if they use this. I can't. Bro, Common Capital is so bad. I was trying to. Okay, I'm struggling to wait. Nice reaction of this. Price tapped into that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The thing does is the retracement in it. Ugh, this is a trade we're supposed to take. I guess I should have been more patient. Excuse me, and waited for price to come short, coming to this one. Because I did say this one, but I used this one. Wait, this one. Took my loss, boys. Took my loss. So I don't know. I'm trying to. What's bugging? Bum bum. Let's see if it's gonna go. Delete that. Let's see if it's gonna go. I'm trying to do account rescue, bro, but it's not showing me the. Oh well, I don't know. I'll probably have to just to wait a little bit longer. Yeah, the account rescue is bugging a little bit. It's not letting me do it. Booty party. Try. Yeah. Bro, Nasdaq. This is not cool, bro. I can't do anything. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, obviously when we're done at 10 o'clock, I'm gonna hop off. No, no, not 10 o'clock. 10 past. Until the macro's done. Yeah. I don't know why, but it's not showing me the. It's not showing me the rescue option yet. So. I have to wait. Tomorrow. Yeah, I might have to check it on my laptop. Wait, let me pause the video on for you guys. But if price does obviously go above this, higher prices, of course. But I think it might have disrupted everything it needed to disrupt. Let me see this. And then we might just get higher prices, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Just give me a second. Let me just sort this out. Yeah. If this video leak out. Why is this here? Yeah, we have this fair value gap at the moment. So, but let's see if price gonna come all the way back up here. So if it closes above this, we could see when I come back up here. I'm just gonna check real quick. I'm gonna pause real quick and I'm gonna check on mine. Okay, sorry, we're back on the video. We're back. Well, I'm gonna have to wait, put a ticket on it. Yeah. Price left. So there's actually a beautiful play right now. You see, price left this fair value gap, and we have two things here. It left this fair value gap, respected the upper half, and the midpoint of the daily wick. So we want to see higher prices now because of this play right over here. And then we want to see if it's going to treat this as an inverse for more confirmation to go higher. So yeah, I should have just waited for price to come above this. Would have been way better to stick to the buys that I had in mind, of course, because I did speak about buying. But yeah, that's on me. That's on me. No lie. Hopefully they can fix it soon. And yeah, I'm gonna hop off in like 4 minutes. Do you want to see close up of this? There's more confirmation that President will come back up here, sweep this, and then sweep those other tough equal highs as well. So just let it cook. And yeah, heavy loss. But we'll start a fresh account. It's not a heavy loss, but we'll start a fresh account tomorrow. All I know is I should just stuck to the vibes. Went against my own discretion there. Yeah. Price broke above this, and then we want to see it continue going higher. Big L on my part, guys. I should just stuck to the plan, chat. Which was the buys. Salabi. The manual speed. Well, Oh, I'm putting the trade idea. Yeah. Well, we done for the day, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Hopefully, this issue is sorted by tomorrow. Probably in the morning because, yeah, probably in the morning. Well, man, lovely. We took an L, but that's whatever at this point. Let's see the shots tomorrow, bro. And tomorrow's Friday. So, yeah. Cheers, take care. I still do just want to see higher prices coming for this. So you're right there. Maybe up here, or the London high, all the way back up here. Wouldn't hold it past it, but yeah, this big loss. Trying to continue that short, especially where I could have waited. To be honest, I should have genuinely waited. I could have been more patient in that sense, and waiting for price to come above this. And yeah, it's part of the game, part of the lesson. Um, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one.